When the door is open slightly, it makes an acute angle. An acute angle is an angle less than 90 degrees. The door has a few right angles. A right angle is an angle exactly equal to 90 degrees. When the doors are open wide, they make an obtuse angle, which is more than 90 degrees, but less than 180 degrees.
A folding fan may be used when making a straight angle. The straight angle is the angle equal to exactly 180 degrees. A folding fan may be used when making a reflex angle. A reflex angle is an angle that is more than 180 degrees, but less than 360 degrees. A folding fan may be used when making a full angle. A full angle is an angle that is exactly equal to 360 degrees. Choose the full angles. Choose the obtuse angles. And now choose the reflex angles. Choose the acute angles.
Look at the streets in the city. These two streets, together with the main street, form three angles on a straight line. Their sum equals 180 degrees. A cook has cut a pizza into 5 pieces. These pieces form 5 angles round a point. Their sum equals 360 degrees.
If A and B are supplementary angles, then A plus B equals 180 degrees. Vertical angles have the same measure. A is equal to B and C is equal to D. Corresponding angles have the same measure. A is equal to B. Alternate angles have the same measure. A is equal to B. Depending on the lengths of the sides, we have three kinds of triangle. A scalene triangle, which has three sides of different lengths. An equilateral triangle, which has all three sides of equal length. An isosceles triangle, which has two sides of equal length. These sides are called the hands of the triangle.
Depending on the type of angles, there are three kinds of triangle. A right triangle, which has one right angle. An obtuse triangle, which has one obtuse angle. An acute triangle, which has three acute angles. We will prove that the sum of the interior angles in any triangle is equal to 180 degrees. We draw a parallel line and mark the new angles theta and phi. Note that the angles alpha and theta are alternate angles. The angles phi and beta are alternate angles too. Look at the angles theta, gamma and phi. These angles are on a straight line. So, the measure of the sum of these three angles is 180 degrees. Therefore, as theta equals alpha, phi equals beta, and alpha plus beta plus gamma equals theta plus phi plus gamma. We have justified the claim that the sum of the interior angles in any triangle is equal to 180 degrees.
We tear out the angles of the triangle. Then we arrange them side by side so that the arms of the triangle create a straight line. It is a straight angle. Thus, the angle obtained is 180 degrees. So, the sum of angles alpha, beta and gamma is equal to 180 degrees.
We move the match along one side of the triangle. We rotate it by the angle gamma. Now, we move the match along the other side of the triangle. We rotate it by the angle beta. And then we do the same until the match reaches its initial position. The match rotated by an angle of 180 degrees, so the sum of the interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees.
we will justify that the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the two opposite interior angles. First, we draw a parallel line and mark the new angles theta and phi. Note that the angles beta and theta are alternate angles. The angles delta and phi are corresponding angles. So beta equals theta and delta equals phi. Look at the angles alpha plus beta and delta. These angles are vertical angles. Therefore, alpha plus beta equals delta.